It's the last working day of Children's Mental Health Week. Over the course of this week, in previous vlogs, I've briefly explored the state of mental health in the UK, the importance of nurturing emotional intelligence, understanding behaviour, and parents staying calm. Finally, today, I'm going to have a look at what is the most effective way to respond in the moment when your child's behaviour very clearly indicates that something is wrong and they're experiencing a very strong emotion. There's really one thing that works so well, and it's not what we usually do in response to our children having an emotional meltdown. Don't ask questions like, "What's the matter?" Don't dismiss their feelings with, "You'll be fine, it's not that bad." Try not to give advice or philosophize with meaningless statements like, "You can't always get what you want." The only thing your child needs in that moment to get back to feeling calm is pure empathy and understanding. Dr. Dan Siegel is a brilliant author of a number of books on parenting and discipline, based on his understanding of how the brain works. He uses the phrase in this book, "name it to tame it." Using evidence from neurological scans, Dan Siegel discovered that the very act of labeling an emotion as a person is experiencing it has an immediate soothing effect on the nervous system, helping a child to recover more quickly. Research showed that naming the emotion immediately made the amygdala, or the fight, flight, freeze part of the brain, less active. Siegel says engage, don't enrage your child, by showing respect and understanding rather than responding negatively in that moment of meltdown. You want to try and engage the calm, thinking brain. You still need to set limits, but not in that moment. And the way to do this is by using reflective listening or emotion coaching, which is the basis of most forms of psychotherapy. Try and put yourself in your child's shoes and articulate in words what they may be feeling. For example, "I can see you're really angry that I said you can't have that muffin before dinner." Or, "I understand that you are nervous about going back to school after what happened yesterday." Maybe you're fed up with adults telling you what to do all the time, and you just want the chance to say what should happen. When a child's main caregiver can respond with empathy and compassion, it builds tremendous connection, and over time, it will build the brain's ability to self-regulate and self-soothe, leading to more resilience and reducing the chances of mental health issues. I'm telling you now that none of this is easy. It may not feel intuitive, and it goes against your natural inclination. We want to fix the problem and make it go away as quickly as possible. Emotion coaching takes practice and can feel like learning a new language. Your relationship with your child is everything. And as Bonnie Harris says, your child is having a problem, not being a problem. For further support, please see Educating Matters. We provide talks in corporate, schools, more extended parenting courses, and one-to-one coaching. And I would love to hear stories of whether anything I have suggested has worked, or even if it didn't. Thank you.